Isolation methods. Isolation method. First method is known as streak plate method. Streak plate method. Okay, right. So the streak plate method is also known as a surface plating method. It is also called as a surface plating method. It is also called as a surface plating method. It is the most commonly employed method for the isolation bacteria in pure form from any specimen. So it is a most common method. It is a most common method for the isolation of bacteria. For the isolation of bacteria. So for the isolation of bacteria, the streak plate method is the most common method. It is also known as a surface plating method. So the next one, in this streak plate method, we are using the a nichrome wire. We are using the nichrome wire. Nichrome wire. So nichrome wire is the nichrome wire. It containing the nickel, chromium, manganese is made up of a three elements: nickel, chromium, manganese. So the nickel, chromium, manganese. This one is the nichrome wire or nichrome loop. Nichrome wire or nichrome loop. So by using of the nichrome loop, nichrome wire, the nichrome wire, it is the stick plate method is done by the nichrome wire or nichrome loop. So first one we take the first one we take the culture in the particular petri dish is called as a petri dish. We take the clean petri dish. The next one, take the clean petri dish. So the next one, it filled with a nutrients. It filled with a nutrients. It filled with a nutrients. Filled with a nutrients. So after filling of the nutrient, transfer of the first we take the petri dish and then fill it with a nutrients, suitable nutrients means like agar, peptone in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of light, and different types of nutrients are there. So that one is a spread on the total petri dish. So after they added the bacteria on the surface of the nutrient. So after adding of the bacteria by using of the nichrome wire, the nichrome wire look like a this is called as a nichrome wire. So this is called as a nichrome wire or nichrome loop. So this is the structure of the nichrome wire and nichrome loop. By using of the nichrome wire and nichrome loop, like this one, for example, this pen is a nichrome wire, and total spread with the by using of the nichrome wires. Total spread by using of the nichrome wire on the surface of the total nutrient medium with the bacteria. So it is called as a primary inoculation. So it is called as a primary inoculation. What is the primary inoculation? By using of the nichrome wire transferred onto the surface of the suitable medium in a petri dish. It is spread evenly over the small area only, not total area, only small area only. This is known as a primary inoculation. The primary inoculation means by using of the nichrome wire to spread the total surface of uh, spread the particular microorganism and surface of the petri dish in the small area only is known as a primary inoculation. So it one is the series parallel lines and drawn the streak from the primary inoculation from the from the three on different segments. Means, for example, in primary inoculation, it only this area is occupied, is known as a primary inoculation. After primary inoculation, it is the parallelly, it is the spread into the one more area. These series parallel lines drawn the streak or streaked from the primary inoculation from the different segments. So the loop is flamed and cooled between the segments. So first in this segment, the next one draw the one more segment, draw the one more segment on the culture media. So in your first segment, second segment, third segment, each and every segment between the gap, it is a nichrome loop is a sterile with sterilization with the flame only, so the nichrome loop, we take the nichrome loop and sterile by using the flame. So after flaming, draw the one more line, then after flaming, draw the one more segments. So totally draw the total three segments. So after drawing of this particular segments, after drawing the particular segments, so this one is a, for example, it one is a primary, this is called as a primary inoculation. So after primary inoculation, draw the segments in the different ways. Each and every segments between the gap, it is a sterile with a flaming. So draw the segments, draw the segments, the plates are going to inoculation, going to incubated, at the 37 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius only overnight. Overnight, at the overnight incubated the 37 degrees Celsius. At the incubation period, development of the development of bacteria. So incubated in a incubation mission. So in the incubation period, it is the development of the bacteria incubated at the 37 degrees Celsius at the overnight. So after the growing the conflict at the site of the primary inoculation become thinner and desired colonies is the final sticks. So it one is a thinner layer is identified, remaining colonies is the produces. This is called as a streak plate method. So what is the streak plate method? In the streak plate method is also known as a surface plating method. It is the most common use this method. Why? Because of easily isolation of the bacteria. But in this method, we are using the nichrome wire or nichrome loop. It is made up of a nickel, chromium, manganese. This is the structure of the nichrome loop. And the next one, we take the petri dish and place the nutrients of different types of nutrients. And the next one, after at this movement, added the bacteria at the corner or at the particular place is known as a primary inoculation. So after primary inoculation, draw a streak lines with the using of the nichrome wire and one segment. After one segment is completed, going to the sterilization with the flame. After flaming, so draw the one more segment by using of the nichrome loop and draw the one more segment. So after say segments is finished, incubated in a incubator at the 37 degrees Celsius overnight. At that duration of the incubation period, development of the bacteria. So at that moment, in this primary inoculation, it produces a thick layer. Remaining is the formation of a lines is observed on the surface of the culture media. So the lines is produces a thickness is identified. Yeah, after incubation, the bacteria is developed here. This is now about stick plate method. So the next one tomorrow we will discuss about remaining methods. Any doubts?